Alcohol sales are no longer legal on city property in Berea. City council members passed the ordinance last night alongside another one that prohibits public nudity.
As Allie Root reports, community members are worried this could negatively impact the city's economic development.
Dreaming Creek Brewery here in Richmond had full plans of expanding into Berea. It even followed through with a building purchase. But following Tuesday's Berea City Council meeting, the owner here tells me that's no longer happening. After surfing at a Berea music festival, Charlie Hamilton set his sights on opening a brewery location in the city, saying it had so much potential for growth.
I mean, the whole point in making the county wet was to drive that. Richmond was the only city in the county that was wet. So by making the whole county wet, there were several things, distilleries that were going to come in, grocery stores, that would sell packaged alcohol in Berea.
But in a Tuesday city council meeting, council members passed an ordinance that bans alcohol sales on city property. Even though his property would be private, Hamilton says the ordinance leaves a bad taste in his mouth. He says it squashes the idea of new developments.
They're fighting alcohol after your constituents have voted for it. Why would I open a business to sell alcohol in that city?
The council also adopted an amendment that prohibits nudity and adult entertainment activities in local establishments that sell alcohol, a clause apparently prompted by a traveling burlesque show.
In a strange turn of events, we're here because apparently people were offended by a one-off event that happened months ago that they don't understand, in a business that they don't attend to.
If you don't like something, don't buy it. If you don't like an event, don't go to it. This is how the system is supposed to work.
While some community members were unhappy about the decision, others commended the council and encouraged members to do more.
The marijuana flim-flam is the next thing coming, and it is completely within your power as you exercise tonight to make sure that that is corralled.
Councilmember Katie Startzman, who voted against the amendments, tried to shed light on the topic but was cut off.
Just don't want to hear the legal opinion of the city attorney. I was just trying to summarize it.
No public comment was allowed prior to the vote either. She and another council member expressed disappointment, not only because of the vote, but because of the way it happened.
We didn't want to hear public comment, and we didn't want to have a conversation about it. And it just seems like poor policy. When we move forward, we need to have conversations. That's why we do this.
Hamilton and Berea community members say they hope future council members will consider reversing the decision made. The next Berea City Council meeting is set for December 3rd. In Richmond, Allie Root, Fox 56 News.